Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. We're here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We're gonna head inside, show you guys a little bit of the merch, what's new for 2022. We also have lunch reservations at one of my favorite restaurants. Stick around for that. We're also gonna do a box break of select football. Hopefully we can pull some gems out of there. This should be fun. Follow me.
Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Time to wake up and step into the wild. Take a look around and put your fears aside. Surrounded by lions, hippos, giraffes and zebras. Jump into the rolling jungle full of rhinos and pangas. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Unknown discoveries are awaiting. Tropical rainbows dive into mountain springs. When the night falls, here come all kinds of species. Aardwolves, buffaloes, owls and bush babies. Honor and preserve the wildlife splendor. Honor and preserve the wildlife splendor. Care for and learn from the work of Mother Nature. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Are you ready?
Yes, I did save room for dessert. Hope you guys enjoyed this sneak peek inside Animal Kingdom and Yak and Yeti. Hope you guys enjoyed the merchandise. That's gonna do it for me here. Till next time, from the top of my heart, see you at the parks.